If Telegram is showing a limit exceeded message, don't worry, because in many cases this is temporary and can be fixed with a few simple steps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Telegram limit exceeded, what causes it, and exactly what you can do to get back to using your account normally. This is especially useful if you've joined too many groups too quickly, sent too many messages in a short time, or Telegram has placed a temporary restriction on your account. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing to understand is that a Telegram limit exceeded warning is often not a permanent ban. In most cases, Telegram is just slowing things down because it detected unusual activity. That can happen if you are joining multiple groups back to back, messaging people too fast, adding too many contacts, or using Telegram in a way that looks automated. So the first step is simple. Wait it out. For most action limits, Telegram automatically lifts the restriction after about 24 hours. In some cases, it may be shorter, and in other cases, it can take a little longer depending on the type of limit. So if your account is only temporarily restricted, the best move is to stop repeating the same action, leave the account alone for a while, and give Telegram time to reset the limit. While you wait, avoid trying the same action over and over again, because that can sometimes make the restriction last longer. Now, if you want to know the exact reason for the restriction, the next step is to check via spam bot inside Telegram. Open Telegram and use the search bar to find the official @spam bot. Make sure you are selecting the real Telegram spam bot and not a copycat account. Once you open it, follow the prompts and it will show you more details about your account restriction, including the reason and, in many cases, the duration. This is one of the best ways to understand whether the issue is a message limit, group joining limit, or another type of restriction. If the bot gives you an option to appeal or review the limitation, read the instructions carefully and follow them exactly. Sometimes the issue is caused by behavior that Telegram flags as suspicious, and the spam bot can help you see whether the restriction is temporary or needs additional action. After checking that, the next step is to clear desktop data if you're using Telegram on a computer and the app seems stuck in a glitch loop. Close Telegram completely first, making sure it is not still running in the background. Then delete the local cache folder or reinstall the desktop app. This can help fix cases where Telegram keeps showing the same limit message even after the restriction should have expired. If you're not sure where the cache is stored, you can simply uninstall Telegram from your desktop and then reinstall the latest version from the official source. Once it is installed again, sign back in and check whether the warning is gone. This step won't remove a real server-side restriction, but it can fix local app problems that make the issue look worse than it really is. It's also a good habit to restart your device after reinstalling, just to make sure all temporary files and cached session data are cleared properly. To prevent the limit exceeded error from happening again, slow down your activity on Telegram. Try not to join too many groups at once, avoid sending the same message repeatedly, and don't add people or forward content too aggressively. Telegram is very sensitive to spam-like behavior, so using the app at a normal pace is the best way to stay safe. If you manage a lot of chats or groups, spread your actions out over time instead of doing everything in one session. So to recap, if Telegram says limit exceeded, first wait about 24 hours, then check at SpamBot for the exact restriction details, and finally, clear your desktop cache or reinstall the app if the warning is caused by a local glitch. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this, and I'll see you in the next video.